Yes, baby. How's it going, everyone? Tao Outdoors. It is Saturday, May 27th. Saturday, May 27th, 5:38 a.m. So I mean, sunlight is just peaking now. Man, it's been one hell of a season, and I've seen maybe 2 gobblers at most. Shot at 1, missed, and I've been hunting every other weekend and just have not come across any birds, and today was a very lucky day for me. Finally came across a bird. It was a hen. However, she's got a beard. That's a bearded hen. Look at that. It's a bearded hen. Really took it down. Finally took it down with the new shotgun. I have the Mossberg 500 Turkey Obsession. Got a Vortex red dot sight there. I don't know. I like it a lot. The only issue is I'm not used to the pistol grip and the tactical stock. But you know, you get used to it after a while. I've gotten used to it, but it shoots great. I mean, shot my first turkey already with the first time taking it. Well, not first time taking it out. Well, actually, yeah, it is the first time taking it out. No, not. I lied. I've taken it out before and I missed before, but first turkey kill with the Turkey Obsession here. It's done me good so far. First bearded hen down in the books. Take that off the books. What's crazy is yesterday we saw her come out and check me out, and I figured if I come sit out here this morning, she might be curious and come around again. Sure enough, this morning she came about 40 yards down. I saw her come out and she circled around after I did some calls, and thank God I made some calls and she came all the way around, was able to get a shot. She was looking straight at me, probably like 15 yards away only, and I took the shot from neck and head and I nailed it. So really proud of this gun. Tough season for me. I'm glad to be ending it on a turkey kill, and only that, like, it's unique to see a bearded hen too. I told you guys, you know, in the past videos I said this place is known to have bearded hens well over 6 inches.
This spot here is really well known to have some big bearded hens. I caught like 4 of them, all hens with beards, well over 6 inches.
I'm not kidding. So, thanks for joining me on this horrible yet exciting season of turkey hunting in Wisconsin. Oh, what a blast. No, I don't even care. I can't shoot anymore, you know, so I'm gonna talk as loud as I want. I got my bird kill. We're good to go, baby. Let's do it.